balance the chemical equation by ion electron method or half reaction method in a basic medium. Cr2O7 2 minus plus SO3 2 minus is gives us Cr3 plus SO4 2 minus. First thing we do is we can write oxidation number of each element by assigning oxidation number rule. So the oxidation number of oxygen is -2. We can write the oxidation number of chromium is +6. So +12, -14, -2. Here oxidation number of oxygen is -2. Oxidation number of sulfur is +4. +4, -6, -2. Here chromium oxidation number +3. Here sulfur, here oxygen oxidation number -2. And the sulfur oxidation number we can write as +6. So here sulfur oxidation number +4, here +6. Here chromium oxidation number +6, here +3. So sulfur has oxidation number +4 and it's changing into +6. So sulfur is being oxidized. So oxidation. Then we can write the oxidation half reaction. SO3 2 minus is gives us SO4 2 minus. Okay. Here chromium has charge of +6 and it's changing into +3. So chromium is being reduced. So reduction. So we can write the reduction half reaction. Cr2O7 2 minus is gives us Cr3 plus. Okay. See here in the oxidation half reaction, left hand side there are one sulfur atom, right hand side there are one sulfur atom. Left hand side there are oxygen atoms 3, right hand side there are oxygen atoms 4. So in the reduction half reaction, left hand side there are 2 chromium atoms, right hand side there are 1 chromium atom. Left hand side oxygen atoms 7, right hand side there are no oxygen atoms. Okay. Now we can balance the number of atoms in the two half reactions. So in the oxidation half reaction, sulfur atoms are already balanced. Now to balance the oxygen atoms, we can produce water molecules. So now we can produce water molecule. Now we can write as SO3 2 minus plus H2O. This gives us SO4 2 minus. See now, left hand side there is one sulfur atom, oxygen atoms 3 plus 1, 4, hydrogen atoms 2. So right hand side sulfur atoms 1, oxygen atoms 4, there is no hydrogen atoms. So oxygen atoms are balanced. Now we can balance the hydrogen atoms. To do this, we can produce H plus ions. So now we can add 2 H plus ions. Now we can write right hand side hydrogen atoms is 2. Now the number of atoms are balanced in the oxidation half reaction. Now we can balance the number of atoms in the reduction half reaction. So in the reduction half reaction, left hand side there are 2 chromium atoms, right hand side there are 1 chromium atom. So we can balance the chromium atoms first. To do this, we need to put a coefficient of 2 in front of Cr. Okay. Now the right hand side chromium atoms are 2. The chromium atoms are balanced. Now we can balance the oxygen atoms. To do this, we can produce water molecules. So now we can produce 7 water molecules. Right? Now we can write here the number of oxygen atoms are 7 and the number of hydrogen atoms are 7 into 2, that equals to 14. So the oxygen atoms are balanced. Now we can balance the hydrogen atoms. To do this, we can produce H plus ions. So now we can produce H plus ions. Then Cr2O7 2 minus, here 14 hydrogen atoms, so we can produce 14 H plus ions. This gives us 2Cr3 plus 7 H2O. Now left hand side, chromium atoms 2, oxygen atoms 7, hydrogen atoms 14. Here right hand side, chromium atoms 2, oxygen atoms 7, hydrogen atoms 7 into 2, 14. Okay, the number of atoms are balanced in the two half reactions. For a redox reaction, the addition of charges should be equal on both sides. So try it in the oxidation half reaction. So in the oxidation half reaction, addition of charges, here minus 2 plus 0. So minus 2. So right hand side minus 2 plus 2 into plus 1. So 0. So left hand side minus 2, right hand side 0. So both sides are not equal. To make them equal, you should add electrons as you counted protons. So if you think of adding 2 protons to left side to make it equal to 0, that is wrong. But you can add 2 electrons to right side to make it equal to minus 2. So we can add 2 electrons to right side. Now here plus 2 into minus 1, that equals to minus 2. So the addition of charges are equal in the oxidation half reaction. Now you can equal the addition of charges in the reduction half reaction. So in the reduction half reaction, left hand side addition of charges minus 2 plus 14 into plus 1, that equals to plus 12. So right hand side 2 into plus 3 plus 7 into 0, that equals to plus 6. So both sides are not equal. To make them equal, you should add electrons in the left side to make it equal to plus 6. So we can add 6 electrons to left side to make it equal to plus 6. Now we can write as Cr2O7 minus 2 plus 14 H plus ions plus 6 electrons. This gives us 2 Cr3 plus 7 H2O. See, here addition of charges minus 2 plus 14 into plus 1 plus 6 into minus 1, that equals to plus 6. Okay, So right hand side 2 into plus 3 plus 7 into 0, that equals to plus 6. 2 into plus 3 plus 7 into 0, that equals to plus 6, right hand side. Okay. Now the addition of charges are equal in the two half reactions. So the oxidation half reaction, SO3 2 minus plus H2O, this gives us SO4 2 minus plus 2H plus 2 electrons. Okay. Now the reduction half reaction, Cr2O7 2 minus plus 14 H plus 6 electrons, this gives us 2 Cr3 plus 7 H2O. Okay. The oxidation half reaction, SO3 2 minus plus H2O is gives us SO4 2 minus plus 2H plus 2 electrons. And the reduction half reaction, Cr2O7 2 minus plus 14H plus 6 electrons is gives us 2 Cr3 plus 7 H2O. In the oxidation half reaction, there are 2 electrons present, but in the reduction half reactions, there are 6 electrons present. So make electron gain equivalent to the electron lost. The electrons gained in the oxidation half reaction must be equal to the electrons lost in the reduction half reaction. So in the oxidation half reaction, there are 2 electrons present, but in the reduction half reaction, there are 6 electrons present. Now we can equal the number of electrons in the two half reactions. To do this, we can multiply the oxidation half reaction by a coefficient of 3. So we can multiply the oxidation half reaction by a coefficient of 3 to balance the number of electrons in the two half reactions. Now oxidation half reaction we will write as 3 SO3 2 minus plus 3 H2O. This gives us 3 SO4 2 minus plus 6 H plus 6 electrons. So here Cr2O7 2 minus plus 14 H plus 6 electrons. This gives us 2 Cr3 plus 7 H2O. Now we can cancel the same terms. Okay. Now we can add the both reactions. So now we can cancel the same terms. 6 electrons cancelled. Here 6 hydrogen atoms cancelled, and remaining here 8 hydrogen atoms. Here 3 water molecules cancelled, and remaining here 4 water molecules. Now add this Cr2 O7 2 minus plus 3 SO3 2 minus plus light H plus. This gives us 2 Cr3 plus 3 SO4 2 minus plus 4 H2O. This reaction is now balanced in acidic medium. For a reaction in a basic medium, add one OH minus ion for every H plus ion present in the equation. So here 8 H plus ions present. So now we can add 8 OH minus ions both sides. So eight H plus ions plus 8 OH minus ions. Now here 3 plus plus 8 OH minus. Plus 8 OH minus. The OH minus ions must be added to both sides to keep charge and atoms balanced. The H plus ions and OH minus ions present in a same side to form water. So Cr2O7 2 minus plus 3 SO3 2 minus plus 8 H plus ions plus 8 OH minus ions form to 8 H2O molecule. This gives us 2 Cr3 plus 3 SO4 2 minus plus 4 H2O plus 8 OH minus ions. Now we can cancel the same terms. Here 4 H2O molecules cancelled with here 4 H2O molecules, remaining 4 H2O molecules. So Cr2O7 2 minus plus 3 SO3 2 minus plus 4 H2O. This gives us 2 Cr3 plus 3 SO4 2 minus plus 8 OH minus. The equation is balanced in a basic medium. Now this equation is balanced in a basic medium. Okay friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon. Thank you friends.